Hello everyone, this is Jyoti. Today let us discuss about cardinality ratio. Before that, let us look into the definitions of cardinality constants. Cardinality constants defines the maximum number of relationship instances in which an entity can be participate. Now, let us look into the main thing, that is of types of cardinality ratio. There are mainly four types of cardinality, that are many to many cardinality, many to one cardinality, one to many cardinality, one to one cardinality. Let us go through one by one. Initially, many to many cardinality. Here, more than one instance of an entity associated with more than one instance of another entity. Then it is called many to many relationship. We can see the symbol used for many to many cardinality. It is of this type. Let us consider an example. Here we can see the student enrolled to the many course, or a many course can be enrolled by many students. This is an example for many to many relationship. The second one is many to one cardinality. The symbols are can be used either this or this. So when entities in one entity set can participate only once in a relationship set, and entities in another entity can participate more than once in a relationship set, then that types of cardinality is called many to one cardinality. For example, many number of students can join to one college, or for one college a many number of students can join. This is of many to one relationship. In one-to-many cardinality, where a single instance of an entity is associated with more than one instance of another entity, then this type of relationship is called one-to-many relationship. For example, here we can see that a customer can place an n number of order, or a n number of order can be placed by a single customer. This is an example for one-to-many relationship. At last, that is of one-to-one cardinality. When a single instance of an entity is associated with a single instance of another entity, then it is called one-to-one cardinality. For example, a person has a single passport, or the single passport can be have by a single person. This is an example for one-to-one relationship. This is all about cardinality ratio. Thank you.